everybody, it's Natasha. So in today's video, I have a rainbow resource haul for you. So let's just jump right in. This stuff is all stuff for my microschool. So it's for my students kindergarten through 8th grade. Just a few things I needed for the second quarter. So let's just dive right in and see what we've got. All right. The first thing is this spelling workout level H. I think this is the 8th grade version of spelling workout. Spelling workout is recommended in the Well-Trained Mind, and I got it because they can basically work through it without having to worry about tests and things, but I wasn't sure how many lessons there are. There is 36 lessons. So I don't know that they'll finish this because we are starting at second quarter, but that's okay. And I did get the teacher's edition mainly because I wanted my aide to be able to help with spelling if need be. And I just thought it would be helpful if she had the teacher edition. So this is for my 8th grade student. I also got level E, which I believe is 5th grade. And so I did get the student and the teacher guide for this. If you guys want to see actual flip throughs of anything, just let me know. But these worksheets are very basic, or these workbooks are very basic. And I believe in the Well-Trained Mind, it says to go ahead and skip, maybe it was the writing part, I don't remember. It says to skip something. Yeah, just little exercises for spelling and the teacher guide as well. I also got level C of spelling workout, which I believe, is this 3rd grade? I believe level C is 3rd grade. I can't open it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure level C is 3rd grade. So now, they don't necessarily have grade levels. They just have, A, B, C, and so forth. But Rainbow Resource has it marked as such. In the Well-Trained Mind, they might actually have it a different way. I don't remember. Anyway, so I do have the workbook and the teacher edition. And then another thing I got was a lot of Explode the Code. I got a ton of Explode the Code. Apparently a whole ton. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got some book 6. I got 3 book 6 and 3 book 5, and I think 3 book 4. So I got 4, 5, and 6. And I got 4, 5, and 6 because 4, 5, and 6 is 2nd grade level. And so I have a daughter who's in 2nd grade, but also I have 2 other students who are at about the same level. So I got them all the same thing. And Explode the Code does not actually have grade levels, but what I did is I went on Sunlight's website to determine what grade level they were, and I also looked at the samples. They do have an online placement test you can do. I didn't end up doing that, but I just looked at the samples and I thought this was fine. And then I got the teacher guide for books 5 and 6 and the teacher guide for book 3 and 4. I don't have any book 3 here, but they just come like that with book 3 and 4. And I got the teacher guide for books 1 and 2, and I got book 1, and this is for my kindergarten student. And she is, a lot of times they'll use get ready, get set, go for the code in kindergarten, but she's already finished kindergarten Lexia and she is already beginning to read. And this does start off with short A, words and very basic reading of sentences. The hat is fat, the bat is fat, just short vowel words. And so I did get this for my kindergartner, and I did get the teacher guides because sometimes I used Explode the Code, never with my own kids actually, but when I was a teacher, we used Explode the Code. And, well, I'm still a teacher. When I was a teacher at a different school, we used Explode the Code. And sometimes the kids would have no idea what the picture was, and they were supposed to write the word and be like, oh, I don't really know. But I mainly wanted to have this for my aide because I will not really be the one monitoring the Explode the Code. My aide will be. This will serve more as independent work when they're not in their small groups with me. And so, oh, I just turned to a cool page. It has open and closed syllables. Anyway, so I wanted her to have the teacher guide, my aide to have the teacher guide, because she is not a teacher. This is her first year working as a teacher's aide, and I just want her to, you know, feel as comfortable as possible. So I did get all the teacher guides for these. This will be my first time using anything besides Get Ready, Get Set, Go for the code, because when I was teaching in another school, we used Sunlight, and it was kindergarten, and they did use that in kindergarten. I also got some Pentine Cursive. So I got Pentine 5. I already have a video of this on my channel. My daughter, who's in 5th grade, is already like practically done with this. Well, not, probably about halfway or so. But I have another 5th grade student, and so she's going to be starting this now. I couldn't have her do this first quarter because we were still technically a charter school then, and this is religious. It is Christian, and so now that I am my own private Christian microschool, I am able to utilize religious materials. Penmanship is my all-time favorite penmanship. If you've been around here, you probably know that. So I already have a video of this one. And then for one of my 3rd graders, I got this one. I already have a video of this one as well. And then for my 8th grade student, I got this one, and I do not have a video of this one yet. And so I will go ahead and make a video on this one so you can see it. But yeah, so all Pentine books pretty much go the same way, and they're just great. I just love them. So got that. And then here is what I am most excited about, and that is Apologia Math. It is Exploring Creation with Mathematics Level 3. This is the 3rd grade, and I got this for one of my 3rd grade students. I have a small group doing Math with Confidence Book 2, and I have 3 kiddos in that group. But then I have another 3rd grade student who Math with Confidence 2 is too easy. She is on grade level, and she's and I was looking for something for her that was more hands-on and engaging because she's been doing Zern, and Zern's just not our favorite around here. That's what we were using with the charter. But again, now that we're not with the charter, I can branch out and do my own thing, and I can use religious materials. So I did choose this because in the Math with Confidence Facebook group, it was recommended as something very similar to Math with Confidence. And when I started looking at the samples, I was like, whoa, I love this, and I may end up loving it more than Math with Confidence. But there is, some differences. Like, this does not have picture book suggestions, but it does have hands-on activities. It has lots of games and things. They have something called a skills check, like a little quiz. You can use that as a quiz to see how your student is doing. But there are, I wanted to show you like one of the games. Of course, now that I say that, I'm not coming to any of the games. Here we go. But there's lots of games, lots of hands-on activities, and I also liked that the instruction is actually in the book. So you know what it kind of reminds me of? This kind of reminds me of a cross of, what is it called? Math Lessons for a Living Education and Math with Confidence. That's what it reminds me of. But at a higher level than math language or Math Lessons for a Living Education, but with the hands-on component of Math with Confidence. I think it's like a cross. And then the teaching guide and answer key. I think you do need this. This is an essential part of the program. And again, I wanted to have this for my aide because my aide is actually going to be the one mainly doing these lessons with this particular student. And I will be doing, so we're kind of tag teaming this. My aide will be doing the main lessons, but then with each lesson, they do a skills practice or something, and I will be doing the skills practice with my student each day. And I'm not sure where you find the skills practice. I don't remember, but yeah, I don't remember. Maybe it's in here. But they also have unit projects too. Let me see if I can find. Oh yeah, here we go. Skills practice for unit 1, 2-digit addition and subtraction. So I'll be doing the skills practice with my student. My aide will be doing the lessons, although the lessons are very much like the kid can read it and do it, but there are games and things that you need like a partner for and things like that. And then there are unit projects. I noticed that too. So like in unit 1 project, in this project, students will design their lemonade stand and budget for the ingredients. So, you know, just really fun unit projects. And then there's the activity sheets for the unit projects and stuff in here. So there's a lot of things that you need to cut out in the back. Different activity sheets. So I can definitely do a flip through of this, but I am so excited about this, and we're gonna see how this goes. If for next year, for my kids who are doing Math with Confidence 2, if I'll stick with Math with Confidence 2 or if I'll switch everybody to this. See, right now, if I'll stick with Math with Confidence 3 or go to this. Right now, Math with Confidence 3 is not out. It won't come out till this next school year. So my daughter has done kindergarten, first, and now second grade Math with Confidence. So I plan to take that all the way through, but I don't know. This is like, you know, the shiny, bright new stuff that looks pretty exciting. So we'll have to see. This is definitely more expensive than Math with Confidence though. Like, I think it's almost double. So that is something to consider. So anyway, that is what I got. I think that's it. Yep, that is all. So that is my little haul for second quarter, some additional things that I needed. And if you want a closer look inside, definitely let me know, but I will for sure do one on the Apologia and this Pentine. But if you want to see inside the spelling or explode the code or anything, let me know about that. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.